Urwa says that he said to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, in my opinion, there is no harm if someone does not go round Safa and Marwa, and I do not care if I do not march between them. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, O nephew, you have said something wrong. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and all other Muslims have marched between Safa and Marwa. So it is a sunnah. The word sunnah is also applied to an essential act, wajib. Actually, those people who wear ihram for manat at Mushallal would not march between Safa and Marwa. When Islam dawned, we asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about it. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed these words. Translation: no doubt Safa and Marwa are among the symbols of Allah. Then whoso makes pilgrimage to this house or performs Umrah, there is no sin for that, he may go round both. Surah Baqarah verse 158. And if it had been so as you have interpreted, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu would have said, there is no sin for him who does not march between them. Zohri says that when he mentioned it to Abu Bakr bin Abdul Rahman, he got extremely pleased at Hazrat Aisha's reply and said, in fact, this is knowledge, and I have heard many scholars say that the Arabs would not march between Safa and Marwa, and say our marching between these two stones is one of the acts of the pre-Islamic period of ignorance, whereas some other helpers would say we have been ordained to perform circumambulation of the house, whereas we have not been ordained to march between Safa and Marwa. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon revealed these words. Translation: no doubt Safa and Marwa are among the symbols of Allah. Surah Baqarah verse 158. Abu Bakr bin Abdul Rahman said, I think this verse has been revealed about both these groups. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3070.